Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Knowledge Arrow. This is my brand new Sony stereo voice recorder. Now let's see here. It's Sony company stereo IC recorder and its model number is ICD UX560F. This recorder has 4 GB internal memory and we can extend that memory by using a micro SD card. It also has a USB connector through which we can connect to our laptops or any USB devices. It has an inbuilt battery which we can charge with our USB. And we can use this device in meetings or lectures. Now let's come here. As we said earlier, this is IC audio recorder and it is manufactured in August 2018. And it contains one carrying pouch, one instruction manual and one warranty card. Its MRP is 6,890 rupees only. And this is S-mic recording system, means distance and small sounds can be recorded easy and we can hear them easily. It has focus and also wide stereo recording mode also. We can record focusing on a particular person or we can record among many persons if they are talking like a conference. The screen of this mic is OLED screen and text is clear and easy to read. In this box we get a carrying case, a sound organizer too. Out of the 4 internal GB, only 3.2 GB is useful for recording audio. Remaining memory is used for the softwares and programs. And it has inbuilt memory and we can also expand that memory. We can also in this micro SD cards are not available, but we can add micro SD cards from outside. Now let's open this pack. Mode, then we can maximum record it 1 hour 23 minutes and 45 seconds. This is our maximum recording time if we set MP3 192K recording mode. Let's open this. This is the Sony warranty card, you can see here. Here is the mic and this is a carrying pouch. You can see these are the user manuals in different languages, and this is in English, this is in Arabic, and this is in Chinese language. Let's see user manual, and here are the clear instructions of how to use this mic. This is the user manual. We can get each and every instruction here, and everything is very clear. So you will not get it out while using this device. You can clearly refer here. This is the mic. Let's open it. This is a user-friendly mic, like a small cell phone. Here is the seal. This is well packed device. This is the mic, and it's very lightweight. It weighs around 50 grams only around. And this is a small sticker. You can see which instruction will be displayed on the screen. This is a sticker, and this is the default interface of the screen. Here we can record up to 1 hour 23 minutes 45 seconds if it is in MP3 192K mode. And let's remove the sticker. Here is the screen. It's beautiful, and it's OLED screen. As you can see here is power and hold button. This is the volume button. If we push this USB button, then we can get a USB connector. Through this we can connect to your computers or laptops, and we can transfer off. Through this we can use this for charging of this device, or we can use. And here are the speakers. This red one is mic input. And now let's on this device. To on this device, press power button. You can see this device. This is the sound button. If you on, and I'm keeping it off because I don't want that beep sound. Options. This is the navigation button, the music, return to recording, settings, and it also has an FM radio. Now let's on the FM radio. We want headphones to listen FM radio, so here is the back button. Now let's see its settings. Here are the recording settings, playback settings, FM radio settings, and common settings. Now let's see each of them.